Hours. Yung laki niya, then yung water niya is like mga 20 to 30, 26-30 feet. So, ito yung reforestation area. Tapos ito yung pinaka-part ng protected area management bureau under the itong may screen. So, sakop po siya ng kasiguran, uban, erosin, bulusan, and Barcelona. Pero ang may pinakadakulang part yung bilog na protected area, down sa bulusan. Halo 60% down sa Inga. So yun pinapod kong 3 lakes with mountain with the 3 lakes. Yun 3 lakes. Yan na nahiling yung bulod na yan na natabunan kang cloud. Yun this one, Tapos, Agingay Valley, this is Agingay Valley. So, yun from sea level, nasa 345 meters tayo. Tapos, naman, nasa 900 plus meters. Tapos, yung summit niya is 1,565 meters.
That's a crater?
Yeah, just a crater.
Volcano.
Yun may maliit na lake with dati pwede ka mag-camp sa crater. Pag staying overnight, pwede ka mag-camp na. Pero ngunyan, baka na-advisable kasi noong 2000 in eruption, dakulaw ng lubot din, yung bilog na part hindi ko, yung lubo-lubo. Dahil ng campsite. So, allowed na lang mag-camp, digis Agingay Valley. Ini kasi dati ining crater. Ini is a former volcano crater.
So this all used to be the crater, this whole area.
So,
it's an old crater.
So
that's where we are.
So natabunan siya. Ini
This is the
binagamit na
summit,
trek. Dati digdihan
but
mo
now
rin ng trail.
you're not allowed to go to the summit
Ngunyan,
because there was an explosion recently.
So
So this is a new camp.
Ranger station na yun. May mga kubo-kubo din sa Duwa. Tapos campsite.
And this is our whole family that came with us.
Forest terrain.